So for our next tutorial, I'm teaching you how to completely remove people or images from an object. I think starting with this is one of the tools these people who do edit and retouch images usually use a lot. So the first one I'm going to be showing you, um, let's say the healing brush. I'm going to be using the healing brush tool. We'll see the face of this beautiful young man, but we see the faces is full of spots and spots. Now, how can we do this so as to remove some of the spots from it? There's something we call the healing brush tool here. We'll make sure it's the first one, spot healing brush tool. We click on it, and that is one of the tools that is used to remove spots from the face. You see that once you come and click on an image, spot is gone. Click on it, the spot is gone, and we can see. So it's a very great tool to help us to remove spots from image. What it does is it see content aware is on, so it helps to, you can also click on sample layer to make sure it helps to get the exact image layer of the thing, and you can remove the spot to make a spotless fellow. You can even go ahead and remove the pimples also, and just like make it. So it's one of the tools that the photo editors do to get out all the spot. But if you do it too much, you see it can affect it. I don't know if you're noticing what I'm doing here. So we can go back, go back, go back, go back, just a little bit. I can reduce the brush size, so I just pick it up here without having to affect much, and we can see what we have done now. Okay, and now let's say you have something like this done and you don't want to actually destroy the whole image. You want to have the original image select back. So I'm going to go back to file, revert to how it was. You can see. So I'm going to go and click on the new layer, and I can still go and do the same thing to the layer, and it will still work. And that way I don't have to actually spoil my image. If I come and close the layer, I can still see the image I'm using. Okay, and so I don't have to necessarily destroy the normal image, just in case we want to use the normal image for something else another day, and you don't want it to get destroyed. You just want it to still maintain its normal its normal design or normal quality without having to touch it. So I can come and remove all the spots on Mr. Fine Guy's face, remove all the spots on his body, give it a pretty much smooth skin, give it a smooth skin, stain, and compared to what we have before, you see, it's a much nicer guy now than what we have before. Let me help you here too. Okay, yeah, smooth, no pimples. So this is what you do. You see people snap in studio, you come out, oh, so beautiful, so nice. So this is part of what they do to retouch the image, to remove all those spots around your faces and give you a clear, smooth skin. Oh, compared to this, wow, this is really good. So you have that is one way to do that. Now the also the same thing, we have this image and it also works the same way. Another way is you can make it big, and just like paint out the place you want it to do, and as you can see, wow, that's gone. You can also do the same for this lady here. Also paint it out, paint it out, paint it out, and it's going to see after a while it goes. But you can notice something about the background here. You can discover that down below here the edges are not actually aligned, which is significantly noticeable. But you can just come back and, like I said before, click on the layer you want to adjust, come back to your spot brush tool. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Do it gradually if you want, so it peaks. You can do it. Okay, so I think this is better a bit now, and well, later you can still make some adjustment to it. But you see that the image is completely gone. When you click on this, you have your image back as it were. So that's another way to go ahead handling that. You can also have another image. Okay, I think I didn't import that image. Let me open up that image also. Let me open up the image. Okay, you have an image of a wall. You can also use this same thing also to remove letters from a wall. I'm going to make my brush very small. See, we have that, and see, it's gone. I say, oh, it was on that. I saw that image. The original image has that thing, but where is? Okay, now remove that, and you can always come and place your own graffiti on it. You can use it to image. Let's remove this bottle. Going to remove things from the ground also. Say no, there's there. Or remove the stone. Oh, it's gone. Remove the firewood to make the environment a little bit more clean and debt free. So you can see how this can be done. It can be used to pick out things in the environment. I don't want all these bottles around this environment. I want this environment to appear very clean. So you can do this and remove all the, but discover that the more you do it, the more it begins to look. So you can have it now, más amor favor, and you are good to go. So just make sure you play around it, pick an image, remove the tool. Don't forget to add a layer first before you come to your brush tool and pick out all the edges. So thank you.